The mining shift didn't just affect Bitcoin, it changed how energy markets viewed crypto. Mining operations require massive electricity, and as miners relocated, they became major customers for power producers. In places like Texas and Alberta, miners began using surplus electricity during off-peak hours. Some mining operations even agreed to shut down during grid stress, helping stabilize local power systems. This created a new model of grid-responsive energy consumption, something utilities had never planned for. Renewable energy projects also benefited. Miners helped monetize excess wind and solar power that would otherwise go unused, improving the economics of renewable infrastructure. What began as a ban in China evolved into a global restructuring of Bitcoin's physical infrastructure. The bigger lesson. The 2021 China mining ban was never just about mining machines or electricity use. It was a test, not of China's power, but of Bitcoin's design. China expected that by cutting off miners, it could weaken Bitcoin's influence, slow the network, and scare the global market. In the short term, it worked. Prices dropped, hash rate collapsed, confidence was shaken. But in the long term, the opposite happened. Instead of shrinking, Bitcoin spread. Mining didn't disappear. It moved across borders, across continents, across political systems. For the first time, Bitcoin mining became truly global. No single country controlled the majority of hash power anymore. No single government decision could threaten the entire network overnight. Energy systems adapted too. Miners didn't just consume electricity, they learned to fit into energy markets. They absorbed excess power, they shut down during peak demand, they partnered with renewable projects that couldn't survive without constant buyers. This forced regulators, utilities, and institutions to look at Bitcoin differently, not as a speculative toy, not as a fringe experiment, but as digital infrastructure, something that interacts with power grids, capital markets, and national policy.